my beautiful people, this is Mem saying hi to you all. So guys, in this today's tutorial is Mem that will be showing us how to braid kinky braid. So guys, let's keep watching, pay attention and see what she has to give to us. So guys, what she's trying to do here, she's trying to comb the hair, and this is how I actually taught her. If you are trying to comb natural hair, you don't comb it once. So the way you comb natural hair is different from the way you comb permed hair. So this is how I taught her, and that's what she's giving to me. She's trying to comb it portion by portion, as you can see. So after when she's done combing it that way, she go ahead and comb the whole hair together. Can you see? To make it easier for her. So this is the hair I'll be fixing. This is the old Kinky. I've used it once and I try to fix it one more time before I'll throw it away. So like, I want her to use the Kinky for a practical. She has been trying to do it on a dummy, but I try to let her do it on my own head so that I'll know how far she has gone. So guys, let's encourage her with your comments, your support. Please support her with your comments, share to your friends and family. As you all know, sharing is part of caring. So this is Mem. She's just 12 years old and she's one of my students. Like I promised to keep you guys updating, so this is what I promise you guys, and you guys are seeing what she's doing. She started last year December and this is July, right? 2023. So this is what she have to give to us. Let's pay attention and watch carefully. So in this tutorial, I'll be using two different color, which is black and color 27, which is good. So the black is the one we are starting with, then the tips is the gold. As you can see, just see the way she's doing it. So guys, let's support this little girl. Yeah, let's support her. Hello my beautiful people. Hello my lovely people, once again welcome back to my channel. My returning subscribers, thanks for always tuning into the channel. And if today is your first time watching any of my video, that means you are new here, please go ahead and hit subscribe button to join the family. Also turn your notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. So guys, this is Mem, like I said earlier. She's the one braiding the hair. Please, let's support her, let's encourage her. And if you have little ones like your daughter that is just 12 years old, you can still encourage them. Let them see this video. They can do more better than Mem. Just encourage them. So guys, this is Mem trying to fix my hair, and can you see? So she's trying to section the hair. She's using box braid method, and after sectioning it, like, she tried to comb it to make it more easier for her to portion. Can you see? And this is box braid method that she's using to achieve this lovely kinky braid. So just see what she's doing here. She gripped the kinky with the natural hair from the roots. Then she tried to braid it halfway. After braiding it, then she began to twist the hair. Can you see? So she's trying to fix to twist the hair. Can you see, guys? So to fix this hair, it took us 4 hours because she's not that fast, and you know she's still learning. So, and we are trying to attend to a client. After doing it for like 30 minutes, we'll leave it and we'll attend to a customer, then we'll come back to the braid. So the hair took us for 4 hours. Yes, 4 hours before we finish braiding it. And these are the ones she have done so far. Can you see, guys? Just see how she's doing it. Please let me know in the comment section if you guys love what she's doing, and please let's support her, let's encourage her with your comments. Thank you so much, guys. Can you see, like, she's so happy? Can you see how smiley she was? She's just trying to smile. She couldn't believe what she's doing. And honestly, guys, she's making me proud. Yes, she's making me proud 100%. Can you see? Can you see? So that's how she keep going with this lovely kinky braid. Can you see? See the way she's trying to grip the roots. Just pay attention. Can you see? Yep. So guys, if you have any hairstyle in mind that you want me to do tutorial on, like I keep saying it every time, if you have any hairstyle in mind that you want me to do tutorial on, let me know in the comment section, and I'll be glad to upload your request. So leave a comment in the comment section. Can you see? So imagine her handling natural hair this way. What if it's a permed hair? So just let me know. Let me hear you guys' opinion. Let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much, guys. Can you see? It's getting dark here, so I just try to stay calm for her to be able to finish it up. Like the way she's even attaching the gold at the tip is amazing. Can you see? So these are the ones she have done so far. Like, will soon be done. See the cutting. Trying to let you guys to see the cutting. Can you see? Can you see? So now, guys, she's done braiding it. So after that, she just go ahead and trim the hair. After the trimming, she go ahead and she apply her hair mousse, like, you know. So this particular kinky, you don't need to put it inside water. So she just try to put the hair mousse to blend it together, and she's trying to lock it with her palm. Can you see? Locking it with her own hand, yes, to make it neat and smooth. So after that, so she decided to style it, and this is me before styling it. See me trying to feel myself. Like, can you see? I love the hair. To be sincere, I love it. Yeah, and the cotton is so neat. See me trying to feel myself. Oh my god. Oh my god. Thank you, amen, for making me proud. So guys, how do you feel the hairstyle? See her styling it again. Oh my god. Thank you so much, guys. I will see you in my next video. Thank you. I love you. Please leave a comment in the comment section. Bye bye.